here's how the mechanical pool timer actually works and functions. So you basically have all your little tabs here, which tell it to turn on and off. When the tabs are down, that means it's off. When the tabs are up, like these are up, that means it's on. So the point that you want it turned off, you would have pushed down so it's off, and the one when you want it turned on, you'd have it pushed up, and you have the times here. This little arrow here, you can adjust to whatever time it is. So if it was 5 p.m., you would just turn it there to 5 p.m. Now you can also have it on all the time or off all the time. I keep mine, as of recently, on all the time. I've noticed I've had less issues with water or levels being off and algae. So this year is the first time I'm running my pump 24/7, and so far it's worked a lot better. So I have it pushed all the way up, which is permanently on. Now if you want it to go off the timer, you put it in the middle. Now you're running off of the timer dials based off of what you have pushed up and what you have pushed down. Now if you want it all the way off permanently, then you push the little switch all the way down and it's permanently off. So down is off, middle is timer, and I'm gonna go back to all the way up, which is permanently on. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any other questions or want clarification on anything, please let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.